Are you sure you don't want a McDonald's, darling? No, thank you, Mummy. I've got my sweets. Okay. Hi, can I get a Big Mac, please? Yep. Oh, sorry. She can't eat those in here. What? Oh, she doesn't want a McDonald's, so she's happy with her sweets. Oh, yeah, I understand, but you just can't eat food in here that hasn't been bought from here. Really? But she's not harming anyone. She's just eating her sweets. Wait, is that a Halloween mix? Yeah, do you want one? I've got a spider. Oh, I'd love one, but I'd get in trouble with my manager if he saw me eating that. Oh, I'll give it to you secretly. Thank you. I'll just go and get your food. I am definitely getting in trouble for this. Oh. Ella, what are you doing? Just eating some sweets. In here? You're not even on your break. I know, don't tell the manager.